Ngayon mga kadonatics, eto, mukhang upset si BBM mga kadonatics. Bakit? Sa discussion kasi nila, sa talakayan nila with President Trump, the President of United States of America mga kadonatics brought up the discussion about China, si Jinping. At alam naman natin talaga na ayaw ng administrasyong ito sa China. Kaya nga mga kadonatics, tinitira ang mga Duterte at mga Duterte supporters kasi daw mga pro-China. What the heck? Eto mga kadonatics, tingnan nyo ang reaction ni BBM nung narinig niya ang China. Even Trump himself mga kadonatics wants to visit there. Nako naman, paano na lang yan? Ang nagbalita pa talaga nito, yung Indian News mga kadonatics with 2 million subscribers. Hindi natin mapapansin to. Pero mga kadonatics, panoorin nyo ang reaction ni BBM nung narinig niya na ang China. Eto mga kadonatics, panoorin natin.
She's invited me to China and will probably...
Wait lang ha. Ang sabi ni Trump mga kadonatics, si Jinping daw invited him to China. At napaganon talaga si BBM. Pasensya na kayo sa putol-putol na video, okay?
We'll be doing that in the not too distant future. A little bit out, but not too distant. And I've been invited by a lot of people. And we'll make those decisions pretty soon. He gets along with China because we're getting along with China very well. We have a very good relationship. In fact, the magnets...
Look at that mga kadonatics. Marcos himself visited America to strengthen their ties. Possibly mga kadonatics, begging President Trump na to be friends with China. Kasi alam naman natin, di ba? As I said, and you know already, na ayaw at hate na hate ni BBM ang China. At dito, hindi siya mapakalay mga kadonatics. Dahil, because President Trump mga kadonatics, na-appreciate masyado yung China, si President Xi Jinping. Nako naman.
Which is a little complex piece of material. She's invited me to China, and we'll probably be doing that in the not too distant future. A little bit out, but not too distant. And I've been invited by a lot of people, and we'll make those decisions pretty soon. It is affecting people that want to buy houses, and that shouldn't happen.
And Mr. President,
and you know, he should lower them. Those rates should be 3 points lower. That's what they should be, 3 points lower, maybe more than that.
I would like to ask both of you.
Later mga kadonatics, ipakita ko sa inyo yung pagkatapos talaga ng kanilang introduction, pagkatapos ni Trump, si BBM, and then alam nyo ba kung ano talaga yung first tanong ng reporter? Hindi patungkol sa Pilipinas, patungkol kay Junior, kundi mga kadonatics, patungkol sa Amerika, yung isang tao doon na isang mayaman din na may proyekto. Is it not an insult? Later, ipakikita ko sa inyo. Okay? In the next upload natin mga kadonatics. Patuloy muna tayo dito.
Yes.
One person, Mr. President Marcos. Next year, Philippines is going to be the rotating chair of ASEAN. I wonder how do you plan to balance your relationship between the United States and China? And for President Trump, Kremlin yesterday said if you are going to Beijing in September, they wouldn't rule out a meeting between you and President Putin. Is such a meeting possible? And how soon do you plan to visit China?
Well, we have a lot.
Wow, grabe yung tanong mga kadonatics. Ang patakaran talaga ni BBM is no to China talaga mga kadonatics. Tingnan natin kung anong sagot ni BBM.
Meetings possible. President Xi has invited me to China, and we'll probably be doing that in the not too distant future. A little bit out, but not too distant. And I've been invited by a lot of people, and we'll make those decisions pretty soon. Please.
Well, as you say, we are chairing ASEAN for 2026. There is no need, in a sense, to balance, as you characterize it, to balance our relationship within the United States and China, simply because our foreign policy is an independent one, and we are essentially concerned with the defense of our territory and the exercise of our sovereign rights.
Ang tanong mga kadonatics, paano niya ibabalance yung relationship niya sa Amerika at sa China? At sabi niya, hindi na i-balance. Kaya nga sabi ni Inday Sara mga kadonatics, is it dangerous? Or dangerous ba yung word doon ang sinabi niya na you're only leaning towards one country na makipag-alyansa. Kasi parang si BBM mga kadonatics, ha? Parang tuta talaga ng Amerika. Amerika talaga siya mga kadonatics. Ngayon, di niya gustong i-balance yung relationship na yun. Gusto siya, Amerika lang talaga. Ha? Doesn't care about anything mga kadonatics. Doesn't care about China. I remember mga kadonatics, sinabi ng isang sundalo, American soldier mga kadonatics, or probably he was retired. Sabi niya, we don't care about the Philippines. Anong makukuha namin sa Pilipinas? We only have a relationship with you to use you. Yun talaga mga kadonatics, di ba? Yan talaga yung sabi niya. Punan nyo sa channel ko, makikita mo yung mga few months ago.
Now, whether we do this not alone, we need to do this with our partners. And again, our strongest partner has always been the United States. But of course, we are trying to form coalitions and multilateral relations so that those like-minded nations who share the same values as we do, who hew to international law, most specifically the UNCLOS, present that position very clearly to anyone who has intentions of unilaterally changing the world order, and that is how we are guided in that.
And I don't mind if he gets along with China, because we're getting along with China very well. We have.
I don't mind if he gets along with China. Well, President Trump, ayaw nga yun ng China kasi yung si Tatay Digong at yung mga supporters niya ay tinitira ngayon dahil ina-accuse na pro-China talaga. At sinabi pa nila mga kadonatics, alam niyo yan, na yung mga vloggers daw ay binayaran ng China. Can you imagine that? And here Trump is telling the president, BBM, na I don't mind if he gets along with China. It will never happen, President Trump. He's even upset that you are being friends with China.
A very good relationship. In fact, the magnets, which is a little complex piece of material, but the magnets are coming out, very well. They're sending them in record numbers. We're getting along with China very well, and I don't mind if the president dealt with China. If that's meant, because I think he has to do what's right for his country. I've always said, make the Philippines great again. Do whatever you need to do, but you're dealing with China wouldn't bother me at all.
It is something that we have to do in any case. Yeah. And certainly that is.
Ay, nako mga kadonatics, what do you think, Pinahinto nga yan yung mga project mga kadonatics sa Pilipinas under the Build program ni Tatay Digong na ang nagpundo mga Chinese. Di ba? Pinahinto niya. Kaya talagang hate nila ang China mga kadonatics. Kaya dito, very sensitive topic talaga. Well, of course, as diplomatic as you are the president of the United States of America. You have to tell that you don't mind about having a relationship with China. But of course, it will not happen to our president, BBM. Getting along with China is getting along with Duterte para sa kanila. Di ba? Thank you so much mga kadonatics. And what do you think? Ang reaction ni BBM nung narinig niya na ang China. Gusto kasi ni BBM na yung Amerika dapat sa kanila lang, sa Pilipinas lang nakatutok. What the heck, di ba? Philippines is not the only country in the world, di ba? And ano tayo sa kanila, di ba? I don't know if we even matter to them, right? Thank you so much and God bless you mga kadonatics. Ingat palagi. Bye-bye.